I like the puppy dog.
Oh, goodness. Hi. Oh. Oh, the puppies. Oh, my goodness. 3 puppies. I'm in heaven.
We're here in Rock Sound and we got a few chores to run. I'm gonna go to a sail loft and see if he can't repair our mainsail. And Brandy is gonna go check out the grocery store and do a little more provisioning.
But first, pet all the puppies. Yes, aren't you sweet?
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it. But you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it.
Going to Gibson's. Says he can do some minor sail repair and canvas work, so hopefully he can fix the leech that's ripping on our mainsail. Just met Solomon Gibson and his wife, Sophie. They're real friendly people. Not too bad of a price, about $120, but cash only. There's a nice little dinghy dock just outside of Gibson's, so it's easy enough to just dinghy up there and walk up. Somebody needs a haircut. Una, come. Come on. Come on, up. If any of you were wondering, yes, I am the hairstylist. I've only got one client and she doesn't talk back, and she really doesn't care how well of a job I do.
And there she is with her brand new haircut. Good morning.
So we're still here in Rock Sound. We've been here about a week. We're kind of taking advantage of the light wind, so we're doing some exploring. Once the wind picks up, we're gonna take off. We went to the boiling hole yesterday with John and Stevie, and we met up with an awesome couple, Stevie and John, from Sailing with Freedom.
About to hit up this boiling hole. Our friends are already down there and they're saying there's some fish. So I'm gonna go practice my freediving and Beau is gonna practice his spearing.
Wish me luck. But it was a little too murky for us to really see anything. Once you dive down, once your eyes adjust, you could see that there's a lot of fish down there and that it's more of a cavern. So if you could really hold your breath longer, you would be able to explore the cavern and see what's in there, but we're not that great at freediving yet, so we're very limited.
He can talk about himself, but I touched the bottom almost.
She did very well. I was having pressure issues, so I gotta work on that still. all in all, it's kind of a bust. So we just ended up hanging out with John and Stevie on our boat. We had some dinner and played some games. It was a lot of fun.
We were planning on leaving today. Not really. Were we? Today we are going to go and explore another cave. It is called Cathedral Caves, and I think it's also called Spider Caves because maybe they're spiders or the roots from the trees look like spiders that are going through them. But we're going to meet up with our friends Stevie and John, who we hung out with yesterday, and go and explore a little bit more of Eleuthera. There's a lot of caves here, so we're excited about going to see it.
Gathering up the last bit of crew. We're gonna head out to the ocean hole and the caves, check them out. Hopefully it'll be worth it. We heard that the ocean hole is it's all right.
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus. You're by yourself, I'm by myself. Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone by myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain.
So I guess at some points during the day when the tide comes in, it bubbles, and that's why they call it the boiling hole.
So we just took the beaten path, and past the blue hole there's the Cathedral Caves. So when we just found it.
Found it! And I brought my friends.
Yeah, these dogs follow us the whole way.
I don't know if they come downstairs though.
I think that's where their journey ends. Oh, this is cool.
We gave it so many chances. When we saw the signs, we just kept dancing, and the nights always seemed so endless. Thought it would last, now it's in the past. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain.
What do you think of the caves?
They're really cool. I love it's different than the Hatchet Bay cave that we were at because it's open, there's more lighting. They've got really cool I think these are fig tree roots. A lot of people I've heard use these for shelter during storms and things. It's a total natural phenomenon. Phenomenon. Let's go.
And you I will always remember when I'm dancing around with someone better. Until then I will pause forever. Keep taking my time through boxes and light.
Woke up this morning to this. It's so close, I can't even take a picture of it. I don't know if I've ever had a rainbow this close to me. How's it look?
It's all right. It's $120 worth, I guess. It'll do until we get a new one.
Is it better than the job I was doing?
Well, it's better material, but I don't know. Your stitching seemed to be better. Because he did straight stitch, he didn't do a zigzag. But he double stitched it, so. And the stitching material's smaller. The thread smaller. At least it's UV. It's a gorgeous day out. Good day to scrub the bottom. We got some new weight belts, so I'm gonna test them out. We actually forgot to bring them with us the other day when we went to dive the boiling hole. So we'll see how much weight I need really. I think I got about 11 pounds on right now. Might be too much for cleaning the bottom, but we'll see. We got a lot of growth in Hatchet Bay. It's more of like a slimy seaweed growth than it is oyster shells or barnacles or anything like that. So it should come off fairly easy.
What are you doing? Hello? Hello?
What?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Putting earplugs in.
So the critters won't get in your ears?
What?
So the critters won't get in your ears?
Yes.
Have fun cleaning. What does it look like?
That's fuzzy.
You think
No
we-
barnacles, but a lot of fuzz, like gray fuzz. Then we got the green slime up on the top.
How's your weight belt working?
Works a little too well.
Are you sinking?
Yep. Slightly.
It looks good that you're not like fighting to get back up top, or that your body's not coming up top.
Yeah, it definitely makes it easier.
And it looks really clear.
What's that?
It looks really clear down there.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not?
It's murky as hell. I can't see 10 feet in front of me.
Oh. Well, at least there's no sharks.
Sure.
Or are there? Dun, dun, dun. Thanks for watching. If you guys like that episode, give us a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. We love to hear from you guys.
And if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do so. And hit the little bell as well. It'll let you know when our next episode comes out.
And if you guys want to know more, see some behind the scenes, also we've been doing a captain's log, join our Patreon page. The link is below.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
See you next week.